Unboxing PR package, not just one, not just two, not just three, but 4 PR package from Hello Glow Philippines. First package is the serum sheet mask that has different variants. They have 6 kinds of face masks that your skin needs. Another one is the Blemish Miracle Set that has AHA and BHA. One of the most popular set ng Hello Glow and dito sa TikTok. And the newest set of Hello Glow is itong Acne Defense that has salicylic acid and tea tree that has antibacterial component. The second package is their birthday glow gift in celebration of their 3rd year anniversary and given to all Hello Glow squad. Meron ditong 3-in-1 lifting serum, 3-in-1 AHA booster serum, advanced rejuvenating set, 3-in-1 lightweight sun care gel na merong SPF 50, PA+++. Lastly, vitamin C serum soothing gel. And meron din silang gift na scented candle. The third PR box is their newest product, the Essential Roll-On that has 2 variants, the lavender scent and the mint scent. For me, not so much sticky yung oil niya sa skin, easily absorb, and may pagka-mint siya, but not to the point na mahapde at maanghang na siya sa skin. And super bango niya. The last PR box from them is the Summer Gold Glow. First item included in this box is the ultralight matte sunscreen with SPF 30 PA+++. Ito nagamit ko na and I love this product dahil nakaka-fresh siya because of its cooling effect. Next one is the vitamin C serum soothing gel. Lastly is the Blemish Miracle Set. This set is good combination during summertime. Again, thank you Hello Glow family for sending these items. Talagang one of the most generous brand when it comes to PR package. And I'm looking for more collab. That's it. Thank you for watching.